Hello. Okay, so welcome back. We're going to continue the tutorial, of course, and eventually what I'm going to do is change the tutorial so that we use std_image for the texture loading. But for now, we're not going to do that. So let's go back to the top here and go down to where we want to be to selecting, scrolling down, down, down. Keep going. Keep going. Further down, further down, further down, further down. Going further. Okay, breakout, setting up, rendering sprites. This is where we're at. Okay, so 2D projection matrix. We know from the coordinate system tutorial. Don't need a perspective. Fly to the coordinates game is entirely in 2D. There's the projection. Rendering sprites. It talks about this. It's a static game. To transform a sprite, we use the following Vertex Shader. Oh, really? Really, Vertex Shader. Wait, do they give you, and then fragment shader is relatively straightforward. Okay, and then what's this? Sprite renderer class is able to render initialization. First, let's delve into init renderer function. It creates a quad VAL rendering and continuing sprite renderer header code. Okay, hello sprite. And there's the source code, but is it just the where is it? Okay, so it's not the shader. Okay, sprite renderer, header, code. Alright. Come back up here. Come back up. Okay, so this is your vertex shader right here. Cookie, cookie, cookie starts with C. So what project are we in? Projects, Breakout 1. That's right. That's right, I forgot. Okay. So let's just go like this. New text document. Vertex.text. Boom. Paste. It looks horrible. Gee, that didn't copy paste well, did it? Leave that in there. Cookie, cookie, cookie starts with Z. Let's kind of set the variables. And I'm sure I'm formatting this wrong. Oh, no, that's right. Okay. Whoops, where'd we go? In there, there. Cookie, cookie, cookie starts with Z. Save. Vertex.text. Imagine that. Okay. Next. New folder. New folder. Fragment.txt. Back to the thing. Into the thing. Here we go. Cookie, cookie, cookie starts with Z. And of course it's a mess. It's a mess. It's a mess. Cleaning up the messes, ladies and gentlemen, that's what it's all about. Bum 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 bum. That's the fragment shader right there. Okay. And then going back, what do we have? Sprite renderer, blah blah blah, rendering, which is really cool. I looked at this earlier today. Hello sprite renderer, init, shaders. Okay, so in the game, init, and then they'll have to change that. So let's go into here. What's this? Code is part of Breakout. This is game.c because it loads game.h. Or is this the sprite renderer? Okay, this is the sprite renderer game init. Looks like game.c. So go here, source file, or game.cpp. Are we expanding it? Oh, they just filled in some of the functions. or he just filled in some of the functions. Init function specifically, there's a deconstructor, there's a constructor right there, which is just cool, I guess. And there's a render. Okay, good. So let's go ahead and just replace game CPP. So where are we in game CPP? Paste, save. Alright, well, Sprite renderer. Let's just be patient here. We're getting there. Calm down, Visual Studio. Calm down. Okay, Sprite renderer class. So this has got to be Sprite renderer .cpp. Sprite renderer .cpp. CPP. If I can do this, then hopefully you can do this. Header files, what are we missing? Oh, of course. I don't know why they do this with each and every header. Once you include it in one header in the actual, I don't know, project, it's going to be in all the others. Sprite renderer. Oh, is this the .sprite renderer.c? Well, what the heck was the other one? Is this the sprite renderer.h? Oh, this is the sprite renderer.h. My bad. So we'll just replace that and save it. Then we'll create the sprite renderer.h file. Cookie, cookie, cookie starts with Z. Yeah. Crazy, crazy. Oops, I don't like doing that. I don't know what that is. Okay, now what? You can find the updated game class's source code here. And game init, and so what's updated about that? I think we got it. There's main. Oh, we're not worried about main. And our shaders just and our texture is, what is the texture we're using? Well, I say, what are you using? What are we loading? Just, what do you want to load? Bubbles? Simple. Where's a nice texture? Actually, don't we have? Pardon me, that was bad. Should probably do a little treatment here before I continue. Because that was pretty bad. That was pretty bad. Pretty bad. Damn, if you can survive listening to me cough. What the heck, Fi? What do we want to use? You want to just use one of these? Let's use one of these, why not? Going to cough up a lung and then I'll be right back. Purple going.png. Right here. issues, issues after issues. I love copying other people's code. It's just great. Has no member ortho. Cannot find the source file. Oh, this is probably why. Oh, it worked. Okay. Oh, well, I said it worked, but I don't know if you heard me, but yeah, it worked. So basically what it does is now that the rendering system work, now that we got the rendering systems working, we can put it to good use in the next tutorial when we work on building the game's levels. Isn't that cool? Okay. Excuse me, what I might do instead of going to the very next tutorial is actually switch this over to use that stb underscore image and possibly to use the glad, because I don't think we use glad in this one. So I think when he updated the website and everything, which is great, which is awesome, which is amazing, he didn't use glad. Huh. Because yeah, he's still using the glue. So I'll have to work on that. I may just go ahead and go to the next tutorial. Oh, another update. Gosh, they update this thing so often. Alright, I'll probably do the update and upload the video. So thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and comment in the video below the video.